Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable theft alert in case of remove the phone from the charger or remove the earphones from the phone. You can enable it on Infinix Note 11s smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings, then swipe up, then click security from the list, then choose theft alert. Now you need to enable the theft alert. Now we will put the phone into the charger. Then I lock the phone. So now if the charger is disconnected from the phone will start alarming and asking for the pattern or password. Then you only put the pattern or your fingerprint in order to stop the alarm. So it will very useful when you charge in public stations or in airport or railway station. If some of them remove from the charger, the theft alert will be alarming sound. Also, you can earphones unplugged mode. If you enable that, when the earphones will be unplugged from the phone, the alert will be start beginning. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.